Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how you can update your graphics drivers on Windows 11. Now if you're using just your normal Intel or AMD, if you're using AMD you will have to download the AMD Relive software, but if you're using Intel, you'll have to download the Intel variant. But since I'm using nvidia, all I gotta do is open up my nvidia GeForce Experience, and from here, once I open up my nvidia GeForce Experience, all I gotta do is go to drivers and then download the latest driver. Now there is no other way to do it other than this way. Now I know some people might be thinking, oh yeah, you go to settings, you go to Windows Update, and then you update it from here. No, you only update your Windows from here. You do not update your drivers and all. Your drivers, your CPU drivers, your graphics card drivers, all those you need to do it individually from those respective apps. Since I'm using an AMD Ryzen processor, I need to use the AMD Ryzen Master, as well as some other, there's another AMD processor thingy software which I have to use every time if I wanna update my drivers. That's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.